Hi guys, this is Advocate Siddharth Jain with Lexis and Company. Today we will discuss about Section 313 CRPC. Written statement of accused has to be considered in light of the prosecution evidence. The Supreme Court recently observed that once a written statement is filed by the accused under Section 313 subclause 5 of the CRPC and the trial court makes it as exhibit, such statement must be treated as part of the statement of the accused under Section 313 1 read with Section 313 4 of CRPC. The written statement under Section 313 C has to be considered in the light of the evidence led by the prosecution to appreciate the truthfulness of the otherwise of such case and the content of such statement with the probabilities of the cases in either in favor of the accused or against him, the court added. While dealing with Section 313 CRPC on the power of the to examine the accused, a bench comprising Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt and Justice Dipankar Datta noted indeed it is optional for the accused to explain the circumstances put in him under Section 313, but the safeguard provided by it and the valuable right that it envisions if availed of for exercise could prove decisive and have an effect on the final outcome, which would in effect promote utility of the exercise rather than its futility. Thank you.